The top 4 best coffee machine in 2024, based on user review. Number 1. Portable 3-in-1 espresso machine. Who is it for? Adventurous coffee lovers on the go. Key features: portability, versatility, fast charging. This machine is a game changer for coffee enthusiasts who crave espresso no matter their location. Its compact size and wireless charging capabilities make it ideal for camping, road trips, or office use. The ability to use capsules, powder, or ground coffee offers unparalleled flexibility. Should you buy it? If you're always on the move and desire a high-quality espresso without compromise, this machine is a must-have. However, consider the potential limitations of capsule coffee compared to freshly ground beans for those seeking the ultimate flavor experience. Number 2. ITOP Commercial Bean Roaster. Who is it for? Coffee connoisseurs seeking ultimate control over their brew. Key features: commercial-grade automatic roasting, customizable profiles. For the coffee purist, this home roaster is a dream come true. Experience the joy of transforming raw coffee beans into a personalized cup of coffee. The machine's precision and control allow you to experiment with different roast levels and flavors. Should you buy it? If you're passionate about coffee and want to explore the art of roasting, this machine is an investment worth considering. However, it's essential to have the time and patience to master the roasting process. Number 3. Houseland Espresso Machine. Who is it for? Home baristas seeking cafe-quality coffee. Key features: powerful performance, milk frother, versatile. Transform your kitchen into a professional coffee shop with this high-performance espresso machine. The 20-bar pressure and steam wand create rich, velvety espresso and frothy milk for a variety of coffee drinks. Should you buy it? If you enjoy experimenting with different coffee beverages and want cafe-quality results at home, this machine is an excellent choice. However, it requires some practice to master the art of espresso extraction. Number 4. ITOP Semi-Automatic Espresso Maker. Who is it for? Budget-conscious coffee lovers seeking a balance of features. Key features: semi-automatic operation, milk frother, affordable. This machine offers a great entry point into the world of espresso without breaking the bank. It's user-friendly and capable of producing delicious espresso and cappuccino. Should you buy it? If you're new to espresso or have a limited budget, this machine is a solid option. While it may not offer the same level of customization as high-end models, it delivers satisfying results.